Shout to my people on the rise. You see the shirt. You already know. You see the shirt. You know what I mean? What's going on, people? Blah, 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 blah. Bam, 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 bam. You know what that is. So today I'm going to do a quick review of VistaPrint. And I had ordered some business cards from VistaPrint a little while ago. And they just came in, and I'm going to be doing a review on them, checking them out, quality, yada, 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 you know. So yeah, our product, it comes in a nice sized recycled cover, whatever. They usually ship, they'll ship the individual cards in separate boxes. So I happened to order 2 sets of cards. One I think was $250 and the other one was $500, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. Then of course they give you, their discounts and things like that for the next order, right? Don't try to use my discount code, sucker. Own it. You have an event, own it. I like that. I like the little promotion. Own it. So yeah, they give you the little thing for the kids. Well, no, keep these away from kids. The animals like it. Dogs probably like the poppy thing. All right, so we're gonna get into actually checking out the business cards. I got the generic ones. One was glossy, standard glossy, glossy finish, regular, X, Y, and Z. I don't know which ones are which. Are they the same? They all have different numbers, so let's start with the right first. On the right, you'd be on the right foot. Right foot first. So, okay, I don't really want to rip the box. Bingo. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it from this side here. Yeah, so we got that there. So we're gonna pop these open. The tape here. No, they don't want me to open it from that side. They want me to rip it like an animal. And I don't want to do that. Neither that side nor this side we can open it. Looks like we're gonna be ripping it. So let's get to the ripping. Alright. Go. Ah, okay, so basically you'd have to rip the side here, and then it becomes a fold-in piece where you could always put it back together. So you see the tears here on all of the boxes. There's like a little indentation for you to rip it. After you rip it, I rip the top piece so that I could just pop it back on. Simple stuff. And still more. Boop, more discounts they put in there. And which ones are these? Oof, these are the photography and the brand, the main brand, Cinematics Media Group. So I did a double side. Cost extra for double size, and mine was full color double sided. This was the original card on this side here. And I have my information there, my name. I don't know if you guys can see it. My name, my email, cell phone number, yada, yada, yada. And then the other side with my website and the services that my company offers. So I had ordered these prior. Let me see if I have the old ones. Not too different from the old ones. I just had to update some information, change the font slightly. I actually like the older font better, but I felt like it was too... I like this font better, but I thought that it was not as... you see how the eye pops a little bit different on this one. It's like, pow! You see it there. You can't mistake it. You don't have to, you don't have to read too much into it. You can see exactly what it is. So I got it there. It's a little... This one is the glossy finish. So as you can see, this one, when I ordered these... it wasn't glossy, it was the standard finish. And the glossy finish, it just has a different, different look to it. It's glossy, clearly. So yeah, that's basically it. Back's a little bit different. And yeah, so I'm happy with these new ones. I actually like these. It's got those there. And let's see. So that's one there. And let's see here. ones? No. These are the other ones. Really, basically, all I wanted to show you about VistaPrint. They're a pretty good company. They're reasonably priced. They always have discounts. They always have sales, yada yada yada. So check out VistaPrint. I'm not getting any paid promotion for this or anything like that. This was not sponsored by VistaPrint. I was just doing a VistaPrint unboxing, showing you my cards, and putting the secret plug in. So stay tuned. We'll be back for another video. Blip, 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 blip.